0 o'clock. The ancestral morning 2 million years ago, your ancestor woke up with the sun. There was no alarm clock. There were no curtains. There was no roof to block the light. The first thing their eyes saw every single morning was the sky brightening on the horizon. The soft golden light of dawn flooded the environment. And in that exact moment, without them knowing it, without even thinking about it, their entire body received nature's most powerful signal. It is time to live. Their heart rate climbed gently. Their mind cleared. Their body temperature rose. Energy surged. The immune system activated. Hormones aligned perfectly. All of this before eating, before moving, before doing anything at all. Simply by being exposed to the morning light. 0:45, the modern disconnect for 2 million years. This was the first act of the human day, the signal that set everything in motion, the switch that turned on the machine. And today, welcome to the Caveman Code. Today, we're talking about humanity's oldest habit, the one your ancestors never forgot, and the one modern life has silently stolen from you without you even noticing. Morning sunlight, the most powerful signal the human body was ever designed to receive. 2:30, the master clock. Your body has a master clock. It lives deep within your brain in a region called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Don't worry about the name. All that matters is what it does. This master clock controls everything: your energy levels throughout the day, your hunger and digestion, hormone production, immune function, your mood, your ability to focus, and the quality of your sleep at night. And this master clock runs on one thing, and one thing only: light, specifically natural sunlight. In the morning, within the first hour of waking up, for 2 million years, this signal arrived automatically. The sun rose, and the human body woke up in perfect sync with nature. There was no confusion, no brain fog, no need for 3 coffees just to feel human. The system worked exactly as it was designed to work. 4 o'clock, the stalled engine effect. And today, that signal never arrives. You wake up in a dark room. You grab your phone before your feet even touch the floor. You walk into a kitchen lit by light. You commute in a car or a subway. You arrive at an office under artificial light, and your master clock receives 0 signal. It's like trying to start an engine without a spark plug. The car doesn't know it's time to run. It just sits there, confused, sputtering. That confusion is what you feel every morning. That fog, that heaviness, that inability to feel truly awake, no matter how much caffeine you drink. It's not in your head. It's in your biology. 5:30, the science of the signal. Now, let's talk about what morning sunlight actually does to your body, because the science is extraordinary. When natural morning light enters your eyes, it travels directly to that master clock in your brain. Within minutes, a biological waterfall begins. Cortisol, your primary wake-up hormone, spikes in a healthy, controlled way. It gives you energy, focus, and the drive to start the day. Without morning light, this response is dampened. You never get that crisp, sharp feeling of being truly awake. Serotonin begins to rise. Serotonin is the neurotransmitter most associated with mood, well-being, and calm confidence. It is also the direct precursor to melatonin, the hormone that will help you sleep deeply tonight. No morning light equals less serotonin. Less serotonin equals less melatonin. 14 to 16 hours later, a bad mood in the morning leads directly to bad sleep at night. It's all connected. Metabolism activates. Morning light signals your digestive system that it's time to process food efficiently. People who consistently get morning sun have been shown to maintain a healthier body weight, not because light burns calories, but because it syncs the metabolic machinery that processes them. 7:15, the sleep timer. And perhaps most powerful of all, morning sunlight sets a timer. Approximately 12 to 14 hours after your eyes receive that first dose of natural light, your brain begins to produce melatonin. It's automatic. It's precise. It's the signal that tells every cell in your body, night is coming. Start repairing. Start recovering. Begin the deep work of cellular maintenance that keeps you young and disease-free. But if the timer never starts because the morning signal never came there, Melatonin never arrives on time. You lie in bed at midnight, wide awake, wondering why you can't fall asleep. Your body isn't broken. It simply never received the instruction to begin. 8:30. Restoring the system. This is what 2 million years of evolution built into you. And this is what modern life took away in less than 100 years. Your ancestors never suffered from chronic insomnia. They never woke up exhausted after 8 hours of sleep. They never needed stimulants to function in the morning, because the system worked, because the signal arrived. Now, let's talk about what happens when you restore this signal. People who start getting 20 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight in the first hour of waking report remarkable changes, often in just a few days. Energy levels stabilize. The mid-afternoon crash disappears. Caffeine dependency drops. Mood improves consistently. Anxiety begins to quiet down. Deep sleep returns, and all of this is free. No prescription, no equipment, no gym, no app. Just you and the sun. For 20 minutes. In the morning, 10 o'clock, the roadmap. So here is exactly what to do starting tomorrow. Before you check your phone, before you drink your coffee, before you do anything else, go outside. You don't need direct sunlight on your skin, though that helps too. What you need is natural light entering your eyes. Even on a cloudy day, outdoor light is significantly more powerful than any indoor artificial light. Stay outside for 20 to 30 minutes. Walk slowly. Sit with your coffee, stretch, breathe. Do not wear sunglasses during this time. The light needs to hit your eyes directly, but don't stare directly at the sun. 11 o'clock. Conclusion. That's it. It's the habit that kept humans healthy, energized, and mentally sharp for 2 million years. It's humanity's oldest habit. And it's the habit modern life stole from you without asking permission. If you do nothing else differently this week, do this one thing every morning for 7 days, and pay attention to how you feel. Your body remembers this signal. It's been waiting for it. It always has been. This is the caveman code. Ancient wisdom. Modern application. The solutions were never complicated. We simply stopped listening to what our biology was telling us. Subscribe to the channel and join us for the next episode, because there are more signals your body is desperately waiting to receive, and one by one we're going to restore them all. Until then, go outside tomorrow morning. Let the sun find you. Your body will thank you in ways you can't yet imagine.